You're in my room, right? You're in my room, why? May I help you? What is that? Oh, this? Oh, it's my fidget spinner. You never heard of a fidget spinner? Fidget spinner? No? Can I try it? Sure, big bro. Here you go. Hey, this is actually pretty cool. How'd you get this? Oh, I got it on eBay. It was only $75. So 75 cents. These things that have been popular ever since February. Please don't tell me you use my money. You bastard. Later that night. Alright, let's see. Where are these fidget spinners? Ha, eBay. Alright, fidget spinners. Ah, here we go. Aha! Aha, here are the 75 cents ones. Wednesday later. We should probably meet our own fan club. Yeah! What are you two talking about? Oh, hey little bro. We were just talking about our new fidget spinners. What, those stupid toys? They're not stupid. You're just always jealous of everything. No, I'm not. Hey, audience. Tell us if Steven is jealous of everything. Wink, wink. What was that? Nothing.